Everybody, how are you? Look at with me about this example. We want to find the value expression 47 combination 4 plus summation r equal 1 to 5 about combination 52 minus r combination 3. First, we must put 47 combination 4 in the first here, and the next step we can find 5 terms here beginning about combination 3 here. Put 52 minus 1 equal 51. And 52 minus 2 equal 50, 52 minus 3 equal 49, 52 minus 4 equal 48, 52 minus 5 equal 47. And then we can add two combination here because we have two consecutively two term here, right? Combination the greatest 4 and add 1 to the power here, so this number in the top, it will be 48 plus, and write 48 combination 3 plus 49 combination 3 plus 50 combination 3 plus 51 combination 3. And then we can add two combination here, write the greatest base here 4 and add 1 to the top, it will be 49. We can add two term here, and then we can complete 49 combination 3 plus 50 combination 3 plus 51 combination 3, and then we can add two terms here, right? Combination is the greatest here and add 1 to the top here, it will be 50 plus 50 combination 3 plus 51 combination 3, and then we can add two term here and write combination about base the greatest 4 and add 1 here, it will be 51 plus combination about 51 base 3, then the add about them will be right here 4 about combination the greatest and add 1 to 51, it will be 52. So the result will be 52 combination 4. Okay, the result will be 52 combination by 4. 52 combination by 4. Look at this question. The term 3x in the expansion x power 2 multiplication 3 over 2, 3 over 2 x power 2 subtract 1 over 3x all part 9 equal space. Okay, look at this rule here. If we have this expression x power a plus x power p all power n, then the coefficient of x power k equal what? We can write the term r plus 1 equal r here equal what? A multiplication n subtract by k over a minus b, about this expression. And what about this expression in the example? In this example, we can find the coefficient about the term 3 of x. It's meaning what? It's meaning coefficient of x power 0. Coefficient of x power 0, it's meaning term 3 of x, meaning x power 0. Then r will be equal a here, look at here, a it will be what? It will be 2, see a, right? 2 multiplication by n equal what? N equal 9, okay, it's n equal 9, 2 times n, 8 times n, 2 times 9, subtract k here 0 over a minus b, a minus b, a here 2 subtract by here b will be negative 1 because this expression will be 3 over 2. This expression we can write it 3 over 2 x power 2 subtract 1 over 3 x power negative 1 all power 9. Okay, so x power negative a, it will be x power b, then b equal negative 1, b equal negative 1, and then a equal 2. R here to know the term, and then add 1 to the r to know the term which term free x in the expression, the term free x, it's meaning coefficient of x power 0, 2 times 9 minus 0 over a minus b, 2 minus 1. Then r will be equal 2 times 9 equal 18, subtract 0 over 3, it will be 6. Then r equals 6. Then the term free of x, the term free of x is term number what? Term 7. Okay, then we can write the term free x in the expression x over 3 over 2 x power 2 subtract 1 over 3 x power 9, it will be term number 7. Okay, you must keep in your mind this rule: coefficient of x power k about term r plus 1, it will be r equal a n minus k over a minus b. A refers to what? The power of x, and b refers to the power of second term x here, and then put it in the rule to find r, and then the term free of x equal t7. We can use this rule about coefficient about a lot of examples. If he asked about the term free x in the expression, about the term about x power 3 in the expression, we must write k equal 3. If the teacher asked you about the term of x power 5, we must write x equal 5, k equal 5. And this example, the term free x is meaning x power 0. It's meaning what? X power 0. Then k will be equal 9 here in the example, and the coefficient of x power 0, we can write 0 here in this example about k equal 0. Okay, understood? You can change k equal 1 or 2 or 3 about the example. If you asked about the term or free term about x power 7, you must write k equal 7. But in this example, we can write k equal 0 here. To find the term free of x is term number 7. Look at this example. If the middle term in the expression 2a over 3 plus b over a power 2 all power 8n is ninth term, then a equal space. We know the power here even, so the number of term, the number of terms will be equal what? 8n plus 1. Then the middle about term equal what? 8n plus 1, 8 1 and divided by 2. It is a middle term. We must add 1 and divide it by 2. Then the result will be 8n plus 2 divided by 2. And give us the middle term is 9 term. We can write here 9 because it tells us the middle term is 9. We can find 8 by multiplication. I find in here 2 times 9 equal 18 equal 8n plus 2, and then moving 2 to the left hand side, then 16 will be equal 8n, then 8 will be equal 2, then n equal 2. Okay, again, if the middle term in the expression is 9th term, then n equal what? N will be equal to y, because the number of terms we will add 1 because 8n here even. we must add 1 to the power here. And we know the middle term equal 8n plus 1. We must add 1 and divide it by 2 to find the middle. The middle term is 9. Then 9 equal 8n plus 2 over 2. And then we can do in crosshair multiplication. The product of extremes equal product of means. 2 times 9 equal 18. 18 equal 8n plus 2. Then 16 equal 8n. Then n equals 16 divided by 8 equal to, then n equal to. N combination R equal n permutation R if R equal space. We can put here R equal 0 or 1, or you can using rule n combination R, it's meaning n permutation R over factorial R equal n permutation R. We can cancel permutation with permutation, then factorial R equal 1, and then R will be equal 0 or 1. Then R equal 0 or 1. The number of integer terms in the expression root 3 plus 1 over root 3 all power 7. We must find the number of integer. Okay, first we can write the general rule. TR plus 1 equal the power here 7 combination by R. Second 1 over root 3 power of R multiplication by the first, the difference between 7 and R. And you can simplify it, write 7 combination R root 3 power negative R multiplication by root 3 all power 7 minus R equals 7 combination R root 3 power 7 subtract by 2R. In this expression 7 subtract 2R, you want to find the number of integer. We have how many term here? We have from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 term about this expression. Put R equal 1 here, then the result will be what about the power here? The power 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 equal 5. It will be odd. He asked about the integer term here. Okay, this number odd. Put R equal to 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 equal 3. It's odd. Put R equal 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Then no integer term in the expression, because the number of integer expression will be equal 0. The number of integer number, it will be equal 0, because the all term here about coefficient about 7 combination R, the result will be equal what? Equal odd number. Understood? All result will be root 3 power 1, root 3 power 2, root 3 power 3. The power here will be odd. The power odd about root 3, all power odd. Okay, then we haven't the integer number, because the result will be root 3 power 1, root 3 power 2, root 3 power 4, and so on. So all result here will be root 3. A rational number. We have a rational number here. All the result about terms here a rational number, not integer. So we haven't any integer number, integer terms in this expression. And we can write no integer term in the expression. Okay, number equals 0. Look at here, n minus 1 combination 6 plus n minus 1 combination 7 greater than n combination 6. F space. if n what greater than or more than 13 or 12, we must eat them here because we have two consecutive combination here. We must choose the greatest base here and add one to the top. It will be n because we have 6 and 7 consecutively combination. It will be greater than n combination by 6. We can divide it them n combination 7 over n combination 6 will be greater than 1. And you can find the rule here, right? N subtract by the greatest plus 1 over the greatest greater than 1. Then n minus, we can complete here, n minus 7 plus 1 will be n minus 6 over 7 greater than 1. Then n minus 6 greater than 7. Then n will be greater than 6 plus 7 equals 13. If n greater than 13. Number of terms x plus a power 2020 subtract x minus a power 2020 equal space. We know power here 2020, we can find all terms here will be 2021 about x plus a power 2020, the expansion has 2021 terms. Then we can find the number of even terms, even and terms odd. If this number 2020, we will write 1010 and 1010, but we have here 2021. The odd will be 1011. Term is odd. Okay, about even and odd. We have the rule about this expression. It will be twice the sum of even, then twice to sum number of terms equal to sum of even ordered term. 2 multiplication sum of even terms here. 2 times 1010, it will be 2020. Find the number of diagonals of polygon whose number size is 6. We can using the rule in combination by 2 subtract by n. The rule, we used it to find the number of diagonals of any polygon. Put n equals 6. In 6 combination 2 subtract by 6. And here we can use n combination 2 subtract by n. Then n equal 8. 8 combination by 2 subtract by 8. I using ruler or using calculator to find the result about this. And here n combination 2 subtract by n again. About here 12 combination by 2 subtract by 12. We can find the result. It will be here 9 and 20 and 54. It's the number of diagonals of any polygon. About this rule, n combination 2 subtract by n. Or you can use another rule, n multiplication n minus 3 over 2 to find the number of diagonals. N refers to number of sides. Then we can write here 6 multiplication 6 minus 3 over 2 about quotient letter A here. 6 divided by 2 equal 3 and 6 minus 3 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. Okay. 14 computation r power 2 equal 14 combination r plus 2, then r equal space. We have two rule about this example here. We can write r power 2 will be equal r plus 2, or 14 will be equal r power 2 plus r plus 2. Here r power 2 minus r minus 2 equals 0. We can factorize it. R times r, 1 times 2, it will be negative and it will be positive. Then r equal negative 1, the r equal 2. And here we can write r power 2 plus r, and moving here by negative to be negative 12, and factorization it, r times r, and 3 times 4 equal 12. The sign about 4 here will be like about the greatest term here positive, and it will be negative, then r equal 3 and r equal negative 4. Negative 4 put here, it will be false. R equal 3, it's true. R equal 2 here, true, and r equal negative 1, put negative 1 here, and here it will be true. So r will be 2 or 3 or negative 1. We have 3 solutions about this example. If 1 plus ax all power n equal 1 plus 8x plus 24x power 2 and so on, e power n x power n, then a minus n over a plus n equal. We must comparing between the result about the result here. We know a plus 1 plus ax all power n. We can write the first here 1 plus write the second here about the top n coefficient by 1, multiplication by the here 1 and a of x. It's the first, and the second we can write ax all power, the second here power 1, it will be ax power 1 plus n coefficient 2 combination 2 ax all power 2. And we must comparing between 1 equal 1, 8 of x equal this, and 24 x power 2 equal this term. Then n coefficient 1 ax will be equal what? Will be equal 8 of x. We can cancel x by x, then n combination c1, it's meaning n, and multiplication a equal 8. It's the first relation between them. And we can combine between second here and second in the top. 24 x power 2 equal n c2 combination 2 here. Write 24 x power 2 equal n combination 2 ax all power 2, it's meaning a power 2 x power 2. We can cancel x power 2 by x power 2, then 24 equal n c2 a power 2. Okay, we have two relations, relation number 2 and relation number 1 here. Na time equal 8 and 24 equal n combination 2 a power 2. We can divide it two relation by them, and we know n a, it's meaning n combination 1, then we can write it in this example. We can write this relation 8 equal n combination 1 a. Okay, to divide them to the simplest about the rule. Okay, you can divide it to relation here. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. I will divide this relation by this relation. Okay, 24 divided by 8 equals 3. And write n combination 2 a power 2 over n combination 1 a. Then 3 equal n combination 2 over n combination 1. We can write n subtract by the greatest plus 1 divided by greatest. Understood? N, because we have two consequent here, greatest and the smallest. N subtract the greatest plus 1 divided the greatest. Multiplication by a power 2 divided a equal a, and then 2 times 3 equals 6. N minus 2 plus 1 will be n minus 1, all multiplication by a. Okay, then 6 equal en minus e, and we know n times e equal 8. We can simplest this expression here. Expression here 6 will be equal a times n, it will be a n minus a, and we can cancel a n and write 8 here. 6 equal 8 minus a, then a will be equal to, and put a equal to here, then n equal 4, and then we can write here a minus n, 2 minus 4 over a plus n, 2 plus 4. It will be negative 2 over 6. It will be negative 1 over 3 about this example. If the sum of coefficient of the terms expression a power 2 x power 2 subtract ax plus 1 power 51 equals 0. Then a equal, we must put a equal what? Put here x equal 1 in this example, okay, because we want to find the sum of coefficient of the terms. We must put x equal 1 here. Then a power 2 subtract 2a plus 1 all power 51, it will be equal 0 if this expression equals 0. Then a power 2 minus 2a plus 1 equals 0, and we have perfect square here. Meaning a minus 1 all power 2 equals 0. Then a will be equal 1.